welcome to week 3 of the TJC1 cohort. This week we're going to be focusing on the material in chapters 11 through 15, which covers presentations, and also Appendix A, or back matter, which covers interviewing, and the Principles for Communication book. Now we're going to start off focusing on the interview chapter, and the interview is actually in Appendix A, so this is the course of study. If you click on interviews, then you can go over and click on Appendix A. And it will take you to the e-text. Now, Appendix A in the e-text is back matter, and you'll see here that there's information on interviewing, starting with types of interviews, phases of an interview, how to be interviewed for a job. And once you get to the end of this unit, or the end of the interviewing information, it's also a good idea to review the study guide. Now, you'll see in the study guide there are some terms to know, and it's a good idea to test your knowledge just to kind of see where you stand with this information. Now, also this week, we're going to be covering the presentation chapters, which are chapters 11 through 15. So we'll click on chapters 11 here, chapter 11 first, which covers developing your presentation. So you'll see here that in this chapter, here's an outline. You're going to be talking about how to pick a topic, select your topic, narrow your topic, also how to identify your purpose, central idea, and gathering support for your presentation. Now, these chapters are also going to be helpful for the TJP course. When you get to TJP, you will actually be creating an outline and delivering a presentation. So not only is this information important for TJC1 and the objective assessment, but you will be referring back to this information for TJP as well. So make sure to read through this carefully and pay close attention to not only developing your presentation, but also the delivery of your presentation. Chapter 12, you'll look over organizing your outline, different organization techniques and methods. Chapter 13 will focus on delivering your presentation. Lots of nonverbals. You may remember from the nonverbal chapter, eye contact, gestures, adapting to your audience. So all of that stuff and more, how to develop effective presentation aids, all of that is in this chapter. And then chapters 14 and 15 focus on speaking to inform and also speaking to persuade. Now, again, there are chapter reviews at the end of each chapter, so it's a good idea to test your knowledge to see where you stand. This is the study guide review for delivering your presentation. You see here manuscript speaking, memorized speaking, so test your knowledge at the end of each unit as well as reading through each chapter. And also, at the end of the week, we will also send you practice questions as we've done for the past couple weeks. And once you get through week 3, you will also want to take the TJC1 pre-assessment. Now, the pre-assessment is a good guideline to see how your studying is coming along. It will test you on each one of the chapters, 11 through 15, and also back matter A, which focuses on interviews. So go through, take the pre-assessment, and we generally recommend aiming for a score of at least 75 because the cut score is 65. So aim for that 75% on the pre-assessment to test your knowledge. Also, be sure to reach out to a course mentor if you have any questions. We're always here to help. And you could reach us at 877-435-7948, extension 1756, or also via email. So just remember that we are here to help you. So good luck with week 3, and congratulations on making it through the TJC1 cohort.